I should not have taken another bite of that sandwich, but it was so good, I just had to. I'm gonna be so excited about what I'm about to try. So first of all, before I get started with this video, I'd just like to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to like and comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification down below, and you can be notified for all of the videos that I'll be doing in the future, and I promise they're good. I promise you want to subscribe. So, in today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of a different one because I have been like coming up with different ideas that I think are kind of cool. So, if you see like random videos sometimes, it's okay, you know? It's fine. We're just experimenting. And in today's video, you may notice I do not have a lip product on. No lip product. And that is because we're going to be eating in today's video. Yeah, we're going to be eating. And I'm going to be trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Woo! Are you excited as I am? I've never tried this before. But also while I'm doing that, I'm going to be talking about my fall favorites for makeup. And guys, just keep on watching because this is going to be a good one. Let's look at the sandwich. So it comes in a little paper. Ooh, it's kind of soggy. It's okay. Okay. This is the sandwich. It's a hefty sandwich. It's kind of thick. I like thick sandwiches. Is it crunchy? Comes with 2 chunky pillows. Pillows? Pillows. Where did I get that? It comes with 2 chunky pickles. They're so big, it made me say pillows. They smell good. I'm gonna keep them on here just to see if it's gonna make the sandwich any better. But let's try. Let me talk about this sandwich, okay? I'm gonna pick it back up. This sandwich is breaded to perfection. Do you see all the breading around here? The bread itself is kind of flimsy, if you couldn't tell by it literally falling as I like dropped it. But the chicken, is good. Like, I think if you like crispy, like, okay, I hate this word, but the chicken, like the white part of the chicken, the breast, is tender, right? But the skin is crispy. That's everything you could want in a chicken sandwich. It's crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. It's crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. And then the pickles taste kind of like they were like made. They don't taste like regular pickles. Every time I say pickles, if you know what I'm talking about, like if you're a 90s baby and you've ever watched SpongeBob, you know what I'm about to say. But the guy on SpongeBob, when he like comes in to review SpongeBob's like Krusty Krab, you know, Krabby Patty, and he's like, "You forgot the pickles." You know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? If you know what I'm talking about, like this video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, still like the video. Okay, so this right here is the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. Now, normally, when I see a white powder like this, I look at it and I go, But I bought this from Ulta because I tested it at the store. I'm wearing it right now. Does it look like there's white on my face? No. This truly is translucent. It sets into the skin. It blurs the pores. It is a beautiful powder. Now, the only thing I don't like is this packaging is very deceiving, okay? Because you look at this and you go, wow, it's a giant thing of powder, right? But it's 0.9 ounces, and the traditional translucent powder is 1 ounce. So you're really not getting more product for your money, but this powder is really, really good. I do have dupes that I will be testing to see are the same, because this powder is not cheap. But I will say, I haven't been using loose powder for like 6 months, but now that I'm like kind of dry-ish, I've been using this to like blur a little bit, because I've been going through like a dry moment because it's been kind of cold. But I've been using this for blurring purposes, and it is blurring my skin. Like, this looks like a blank canvas, and I love that. So, Anastasia Loose Setting Powder, favorite number 1. Another powder that you guys have seen me talk about for literally 6 months. Since I've been posting videos on YouTube, I've been talking about this powder. This is the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. You guys know I love this. This is my favorite loose setting powder. It makes your makeup waterproof. It is very expensive, but it does a great job. But I did find a dupe for this, and if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can go and watch my last video where I talked about it, and yeah, I'll link it right up here. So just click the little eye and it will show you exactly what I'm talking about, but I'll also link it down below in the description. So the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder I like because it has like a beige color to it, so it's not translucent, but it also isn't a like setting powder that makes your makeup white, if you know what I mean. So it's not going to make you too dark. It's also not going to make you too light either. It's just an overall veil on the skin, and I love that. Okay, this is the Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer, and she is loved. If you can't tell, I'm going to try not to show you guys the mirror, but this is in the shade Amber, and it does come with a little sponge. I rarely use that sponge unless I'm on the go, and then I'll use the sponge. But I love this. Okay, First of all, it has lots of coverage, but also you can make it into more, it's like medium buildable, but I make it more of a light coverage and I put like a little bit of concealer on and then this on top of it, and it just does the same thing as like any other powder, any other foundation I mean. But also what I like about this is you can wear it on its own and it looks like just like a beautiful skin-like finish, and it gives you this blurred effect and your pores just look like non-existent. And Clinique always does so well with that, you know? Like Clinique just does so well with making sure like the skin looks good underneath. Like, just love this. But again, Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer in the shade Amber. It's my go-to. I love it so much. So I just want to say, first of all, Popeyes, thanks for slapping with this sandwich, because it's good. It's really good. I would probably buy it again, actually. It's so good. It's really good. I keep like looking at it and wanting to go back and bite it again, but I cannot do that because it's not good for me. But it's okay. I also want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being so faithful and continue to watch my videos. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! That I've been loving. But also, I have a Jack's drink because I went to Jack's to get a strawberry cream cheese pie. Oh gosh, that just spewed everywhere.